Alright, going to work, going to the office, going to another cafe. High Grounds Cafe, Tomas Marato area. We're checking it out for the first time. Right now we're in Quezon City, Manila. This is our location, this is where I live. This cafe is pretty cool. It even has a whole gaming section over there. They have tournaments and everything. So I hope the internet's good here. Yes, we found the perfect spot. Alright, I think I'm done editing for the day. My eyes are gonna explode. Finally done editing. By the way, my name is Jeremy Kruis. I'm doing a daily video here on YouTube. Earlier today, Hannah and I both got adjusted by Dr. Rob. Actually, I've gotten adjusted by him a few times now in exchange for making him videos. So it's been really cool to just do like an exchange of goods. So I make him some videos while he does a chiropractic adjustment on me. Yeah, tip for filmmakers, maybe if you're just building your portfolio, you might want to do things like that. Exchange making videos for other businesses in exchange for their product. Yeah, just an idea. That's just something I've learned recently from being a freelancer. Actually, I've only been a freelancer for 2 years now, so I'm definitely still learning a lot of things.
Hi. Hi.
The evening wind down. It's time for our evening wind down. So Hannah and I are just gonna chill with the doggies. Hannah's cleaning up their pee and poop. My daily vids here on YouTube are kind of like a practice for me. So it's like kind of a public practice. So sometimes my videos might be, you know, really short, really long, really bad, really good. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoy watching them, make sure to leave it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.